What we do here is go back, 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 back.
What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a great day today. So today is Saturday, and surprise surprise, me and Luis are at the shop. Luis is working on his Civic right now, so he's doing his own thing, but I came today because ever since I got the car back together, I've been having I have a boost leak and I haven't been able to finish my tune. So today we are going to be working on, the STI again. So yeah, I had a little bit of an accident last weekend. Lost my vent, my tow hook cover, my bumper. It's it's donezo. So I'll need to get a new bumper, but that's no big deal. I'm mainly concerned about the boost leak. I actually bought a boost leak tester from Torque Solution. So it's this one right here. Universal 3-inch boost leak tester. And I'm going to be using this today to find the boost leak. So hopefully everything will go smooth. I'll kind of take you along with me. This is my first time doing something like this. So it'll be a learning experience. But basically, from what I have gathered from online, is you take the intake out, or just the hose right there. You take it off, and you're gonna essentially put this in there, clamp it down, put a like a compressor, like a fitting for like a tire, like a tire chuck or something. Connect that to there, and then before you do that, you're gonna block off all these ports. Like I'm gonna have to block this one off, that one off. There's one back there, and then you're gonna want to open your oil cap because it creates pressure in the crankcase, and it can possibly blow out your cam seals. So I'll take the intake off, and then I'll kind of update you guys as I go. I went to AutoZone and picked up these just vacuum caps. They were like $4, so I figured these would be great to just block off, those ports. So we'll get started, and then I'll update you guys as I go. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so first step is done. I just took off the box shield, the cover, take that off. A couple, Allen head screws. So that was pretty easy enough. And then as well as this, just 2 clips. That'll just pop right out. And then I took the intake off. Probably give it a clean while it's out right now. It's a little dirty. So get that cleaned off, and then I just insert that Torque Solution boost leak tester right in there. And now that's the first step. The second step, I'm gonna start unplugging all these ports, from the inlet, and start blocking them off. You don't want it going into the vacuum system, so you want to hold pressure all in here and then see where it's leaking from. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so step 1 was completed, which was taking off the intake and putting your tester inside the intake hose. After that's done, step 2 is going to be to plugging off all your ports. There is one right here, one right here, and these are all on the intake, or the inlet guys, the turbo inlet. So there's 1, 2 is right in there, right here, this little black cap. 3 is going to be this one right here. It is going to be connected to this You guys will see it. It's literally right there. I plugged it off with a little plug, a vinyl plug. What's that? 4 is gonna be your intake manifold, purge hose right there, and then the last one is gonna be back here. If you can see that, that is on the inlet. That pink one is on the inlet, and then you want to plug up that hose because you might get some hissing noise from blow by, and you don't want that when you're gonna, you know, boost test it, you know, or leak test it. But once that's done, then you can you know, start the test. So I'm gonna start it real quick and then see if I can try to locate the leak, and if I can, then I'll get back to you guys right now. And then if I can't, then, you know, maybe it's just one of the hoses was loose or something and I just need to tighten it. So I'll be right back in just a second, guys. Hold up. Alright guys, I'm back. So what I have found with testing it right now, I'll show you guys. So I'm using soap and water. It helps a lot when you're trying to find a leak. So check it out. As you can see, air is coming out the post MAF hose. So 2 things I can think of right now to try to fix that. I don't. New hose clamp. Maybe I have one that's flat like this, all the way around without these slits in it. I just don't want to tighten it up too much because these will cause tears in the hose. Or replacing this post MAF hose, which they're not too expensive. I think they're like around. Well, I mean, yeah, they're decent. Like $90 for a pairing one, or like $55 for a Torque Solution, or, you know, a Cobwood. I think it goes for $70. So I'm gonna try the hose or the hose clamp first. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't have it with me. It is at my house, but probably sometime this week or Friday or you know, something. I'll probably before then. I'll probably put that hose or that clamp on, and if that fixes it, then perfect. And if not, then the next thing will be the post MAF hose. So, well, while all that was going down too, I decided to clean my air filter because it was kind of nasty. So I've been letting that dry. But besides that, guys, I think this is it for today. You know, nothing too crazy. Quick diagnostic, troubleshooting. You know, if that's the only thing that's wrong with it, then perfect, because it's an easy fix. It's literally, you know, you don't have to tear down the whole engine to get to it. I was more worried it was going to be leaking from the intake manifold. So that's, you know, it's good for me. So I should be making about 20 to 8 or 18 to 20 psi, but I am only making 12. I think it's the max that I've hit. So I'm assuming that's what's causing it. You know, that hose right there, that, you know, I'm like barely putting any pressure on it and it's already like, it's already going, you know. So I think that is gonna be all. That's gonna wrap it up for today. You know, just a quick, you know, how-to video. You know, nothing too crazy. But, you know, if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Give us your feedback on what we should, you know, do better on. But, you know, until next time, see you guys later. Peace.